Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zapier to connect Shopify customers to HubSpot step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on their website. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger section, search for and select Shopify. Choose the trigger event, such as New Customer. Click on the Continue button. Connect your Shopify account by clicking on Sign into Shopify. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Shopify store. Once connected, click Continue. You will now test the trigger by clicking on Test Trigger. Review the sample to ensure it has pulled in the correct information. Once verified, click Continue to move on to the next step. In the Action section, search for and select HubSpot. Choose the action event, such as Create or Update Contact. Click Continue. Connect your HubSpot account by clicking on Sign in to HubSpot. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your HubSpot account. After connecting, click Continue. Now map the fields from Shopify to HubSpot. Match the customer email in Shopify to the contact email field in HubSpot. Continue mapping other relevant fields, like name and phone number. Once all fields are mapped, click Continue. You can then test this action by clicking on Test and Continue. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the top. You have now successfully set up Zapier to connect Shopify customers to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.